Hi, my name is Summer and I'm in the Intro to Welding class. We do a lot of stuff in this class, but before we go take a look at what everybody's doing in the lab, the most important rule in this lab is that we have our safety glasses on before we enter and our PPE on. Hello Jacob, what are you working on?
I will be plasma cutting this piece of metal right here. So to do so, you have to have a plasma cutter, and then you have to have an air supply. The air supply connects to the plasma cutter, and then you turn on the plasma cutter, make sure you have proper pressure in it and proper ground. Then you put a ground clamp from the cutter to here so you can get proper arc. Now, before you do it, the PPE you need will be gloves as well as shielding glasses. Now, to do that, you gotta take these ones off, then these. Okay. And then do this. Flip this black lever up, put your finger right here, and then it'll go. Put your hand right here. Go.
Hey Matt, what are you working on?
I'm working on stringer beads with the gas metal arc welder. You gotta have an outside gas that protects your pool when you're welding. And then you also have a wire that continuously runs through the gun. And now we're gonna do a stringer bead.
Hey Chase, what are you working on?
I'm just working on T-joints with shielded metal arc welding. We use an electrode with a metal core and a flux sealing around it for whenever you metal or weld, the flux will cover it. That's right. Cover it.
Bye from the Intro to Welding class.